Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to read the base or length, width and height of a parallelogram and calculate area and perimeter. The parallelogram is shown in the diagram. Base or length and height and width are given. To calculate the area, the formula is length, that means base or length is marked as a L into height, which is marked as a H. Perimeter is calculated by 2 into length plus 2 into width. For this we are going to write a Python program. I am storing the length, the variable L equal to float of input of enter base or length of the parallelogram. Likewise, I am storing height in the variable h equal to float of input of enter the height of the parallelogram. I am storing width in the variable w equal to float of input of enter the weight of the parallelogram. So I am storing the length in the variable L, height in the variable H and width in the variable W. Area equal to length into height. Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus 2 into width. I have calculated the area and perimeter. Now I am going to print the result. Print the area of given parallelogram, comma, the variable area. Print the perimeter of given parallelogram. Perimeter. That's it. I have taken length, height and width as a input. So I'm using the float of input function and enter the base, length of the parallelogram, height of the parallelogram and the width of the parallelogram, because the input function always return a string. So the length, height and width are converted into a floating point number. That's why I have given the type conversion here. So area equal to length into height, perimeter equal to 2 into length plus 2 into width. After calculating area and perimeter, I am displaying the result, the area of given parallelogram and colon comma, I am giving the variable area, and after the area of the given parallelogram, then the string, the area will be displayed. Likewise, the perimeter of the given parallelogram column, the value of the perimeter will get displayed. Now we will run the program and check the result. So enter the base or length of the parallelogram and giving the value 13.5. So enter the height of the parallelogram. I am giving 5. Enter the weight of the parallelogram. I am giving 7. Now the area of the parallelogram is 67.5 and the perimeter of the given parallelogram is 41.0. So these are my results. So the results are shown here. The program is working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.